How to fix Samsung A16 QR code scanner not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps. After clicking on apps, now scroll down and open a camera. And first of all, force stop your camera. Now here you can see a force stop option. Now click on it and then click on OK. After force stop your camera, then open camera settings and here you can see the option scan QR codes. Here you can turn on or off scan QR codes option, and after that go back to your main page of settings and then scroll down and here you can see the option device care. Now click on device care and then scroll down and click on software update, and here you can check your software update. If you doesn't update your software, then update it. After updating that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.